Hello guys. Today we are discussing about extrude cut option. In previous classes we discussed about how to create extrude. Now we are discussing about extrude cut. Okay. So first of all, to perform any extrude cut option, you need basic object like this. Okay. And then after select again sketch and select this sketch on this area and make it perpendicular and click circle. Okay, and give any particular dimension from where you want. Okay, and this is how you want to cut your object. Then exit. Okay, then next go to features, select extrude cut. Okay, and if you want cut it in a middle plane, then you can select this. Otherwise you want select blind, select this. Okay, and how much length depth you want, 10 or 20, whatever the depth you want. Okay, and whatever the depth you have given, okay, it will cut only up to this area only. That means if you given as 20 mm also, even though it is cut only up to 10 mm only. Okay, then close this. So this is your extrude cut. And if you want to edit these dimensions, just click extrude cut and select the sketcher. Okay, and change the dimensions again, whatever the dimensions you want. Like I don't want this 35, I want 50. Okay, I want this 50. Okay, then close this. And this is how you're going to create your extrude cut. So the main intention of this video is Instagram is not only for the entertainment purpose, it is also for your education purpose. If you like this, please share with your friends also. Thank you. We'll be back with another video.